Ay, kumain na po kayo.
Nag-pray na ba kayo?
Yeah, kumain na po kayo.
Wala ka nang pinalaman sa toast.
Cheese with... Oh, you're done. That's what I'm eating. Alam mo, pag-open mo ng mouth, may langan. Mamay ka siya. Ma'am, ito rin ka siya. Parang? But it's fresco. Fresco.
Gusto ko, what's on our shopping list?
What's on our shopping list?
Ice cream.
Yeah. Ayaw daw niya dito mainit. Hindi sanay. Right, was savage. Tito Ella was savage. He cut through.
Tutulog si nanay.
Oh my god.
Tito for you.
Is this bound for Tagaytay as well? I may.
Tito for you.
Alright. Tito Ella for savage. Ganito pala dito, kakat ka lang through. I was like, what's the vibe?
Yeah, you got
I was so scared. I been That's what we bought. Nana is paying. Oh, you hugging me? It's sticky book. Wearing girls. Ano ba to?
Supermarket.
What's up? We're in SM North Edson.
Welcome to my vlog. Pito.
Ay. Okay.
North Tower.
North Tower.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Some of the old songs.
ready to Tagaytay. Ano rin yung mga gamit mo iniinom?
Paracetamol.
Ba't ganon? Dali. Mamaya pa. Hello. Like normal flavor. Welcome to the gang. Hi, we're in Tagaytay to see Mount Taal. We literally woke up really early, but ending up still leaving at 6:30, I think. Which is not late, but and it's not too hot. The weather not too bad. Well, so guys, that's the Mount Taal. I don't know if you can see, but it's a bit blurry.
I've been thinking about myself today.
So that's Mount Taal.
Think how I
Picture.
changed.
Ay, naka-zoom in. Nay! Hello!
Or if you don't
Mainit ka na? Akala ko
how I'm
0.5? O, 0.5.
but
Next! Sebyal! O, at Angelica muna mag-picture kila. Use your phone for picture. I'll use my phone for video.
you remember that night we met.
Magkaaway kayo.
You look so fine.
Boys and girls. So, dikit. Ready? Dizon. Ate.
Not exchange our help.
Andyan yung picture ate. Ate Majo.
Looking out for you. I'm sorry. I'm so
Hindi, video ako. Video.
I'm still looking forward to watching part 2 of
Parang over...
album with you.
Ayun yung pulo.
I don't care if I got much at all. Live in this small town.
Ate, Kenneth Lloyd.
Hey guys, where are we? Still in, yeah, exactly that one. And Batangas, and we're in a little, is it a jeep? We're in a little transport, and we're
It's just a buggy.
a buggy, and we're going to the beach. Ah, right, and
So we just ordered some drinks from the bar. Masarap. Oh, masarap. Cheers. Sarap. Hindi siya matamis. Parang may cream. Masarap. Pero masin. Yung manggang ano. Ka niya? Brahma ball. So that's our hut. Number 10 is an open hut. We're only here for a day tour or day trip. Our stay is like until 8 p.m. and that's why we got the front view open hut seaside. Pang overnight lang kasi. Game! One, two, three! Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, wait. Ay, come on. So, today we're going to SM. Just ask for. We're gonna go shopping a bit. Let's go, guys.
we're in Assam.
It's like souvenir, like Philippines. Yeah. So, ate here, ate there. So we're in Cultura in SM. Ate here. Got that one?
Shut up, these bags are so cute.
Speak one though. Pares, ikaw. I mean, we're in Sherman. So I've got some pasalubong. Pares, did you buy anything? No. She's going to buy some, some sleeper. Thought we're just in like here. Sorry, just the regular. Another 50 para 100 sa akin. Sige lang kuya, mag-cut off lang kayo. Light. Ikaw, picture ka? Eh, wala. Kaway ka kuya, kaway. Vlog ka din. Yeah, vlog. Pakitagha lang ha. YouTube video guys sa Toledo. Lap lang po namin yung mga kasama namin. Nagkakawalaan na po kami. Ilan po? 6 minutes pero mukhang 60 minutes. Tingnan nyo rin yung view ng Intramuros. Nakapila? Cinematic doon. Pag ganito? Nakita na ko. Gusto niyo ba ng ice cream? Yes. Oh. May ice cream ba dyan? Ako na mag-adjust. Bad trip ah. Ano yun? Bakit naging blurry? That's Dr. Jose Rizal, National Hero of the Philippines. Raja Sulaiman Sierra. Ano Raja? Raja. That's Raja. Raja. It's Raha. You pronounce it as Raha. Hunted ghosting. Ito, picture tayo nakaupo dito. Oh, guys. Teka lang. Ayun, ito yung ano. Hindi siya dyan nakakulong. Siya yun eh. Siya. Nasusunog. Oh, sa likod.